2020, a new year, a new decade. How the time flies. In a time of resolutions and excitement, I can't help but feel a little lost. Stuck in a time where I am no longer young enough to be free of responsibility, nor old enough to be secure and stable in life. What the future holds is a little frightening, dare I say a little more than I find it exciting. 2019 was probably one of my most ambiguous years, and one that I'm pretty glad is over. I hope the uncertainty won't follow me into 2020, but what can I say? It is one of the many wonders of life, and of course with uncertainty comes opportunity. I like to think that the world works in mysterious ways. I don't know what my future holds, but I'm excited to see where it'll take me. That being said, there's a lot of things I want to work on. I'm not afraid to admit there are definitely many aspects of my life I can improve. One of my greatest downfalls would be the constant pits of laziness I much too often fall into. I like to call them creative ruts, but the reality is just my lack of drive and motivation. I want to re-spark my passions and actually commit to the things that make me happy. Looking back, most of the insecurities I feel and issues I faced are just internal conflict between me and myself. But deep down inside, I know everything that I'll ever need is within me. Of course, the only thing I can hope for is to continue to grow and become a better person. The new year just started and already so many things are changing. Although I did not start the New Year's on the best foot, it's okay. I'm Chinese and the Lunar New Year's is in a couple of days, so I guess I have a second chance. There are a lot of things I want to achieve in the New Year's and a lot of things I want to experience. I hope all the adventures the new decade brings will shed a little light on the insecurities I fear in the present, but I guess it remains to be seen. I hope you guys will stay by my side through it, and may 2020 be a fruitful year for all of us. Love you lots, Arena.